The transaction appeared on my screen.
I'm blown away. That was insanely fast, unbelievable, guys.
This video is not financial advice, it's just my personal experience, and you don't have to repeat it.
A lot of people ask if what I do is actually real and how I pull it off. Hey guys, my name is Arthur. I've always loved math and numbers, and if I go deeper, I've always been into economics and finance. My logic is simple. If there's a tool that might work, I want to test it myself, not just take someone's word for it. Finding the best setup and squeezing out the maximum result, that's what building wealth is all about. I've been in crypto for over 5 years. Trading, arbitrage, farming, tried it all, lost money, started over, learned. 3 of those 5 years were active trading, and you know what? Most of the methods you see on YouTube are either unstable or require so much capital that a beginner just can't get in. That's why I got curious about cloud mining. I kept seeing people either buying insanely expensive rigs or not getting into mining at all and thinking it just wasn't for them. But I came across an online service that's supposed to let you do it straight from your phone. Today, I want to test it live. This isn't financial advice. I just want to review one of the setups I tested recently because my DMs were blowing up with questions about it. On this channel, I test crypto services and share my results, giving an honest take based purely on my own experience. Classic mining means GPU rigs. One card starts at 5 grand. Electric bills, 3 to 5,000 a month. That's not for someone starting from scratch. Cloud mining is services that already have their own farms. They're based in countries with cheap electricity, and you manage everything from your phone. You're not buying hardware. You're plugging into power that's already running. I was skeptical going in because after years in this space, I've been burned more than once and lost money. I tried a few services, and honestly, most of what's out there is just garbage. But then a friend who's been in crypto for a long time told me about his results with one particular service. I looked into it and decided to test it on camera. Here's what happened during my first run. Now I'm going to clear up all the doubts and show you a real test in real time. I'm already pumped. Let's get into it. First, I'll head over to my channel where I've put together extra materials and notes from this and other tests, and I also announce when my new YouTube videos drop. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss them. Okay, give me just a second. Now I'll tap here. Okay, now here, give me just a sec, and I hit done. Awesome. Now I click here and I'm in. I'm greeted by the service description where I can pick different mining options. Honestly, it all looks pretty straightforward, even though some seriously heavy computing is happening behind the scenes. I'll go with this option. You can go with something else, but this is the one I personally prefer. Next, I need to paste my address to receive whatever I mine. I'm using this app. I'll pick the same coin. Now here. Oops, wrong one. Give me a second and I'll be right back. Yep, perfect. I paste it right here. Great. Now I can choose how much I want to mine. In my first test, I went smaller since I didn't know how the service worked. This time I'll click here. Awesome. The mining process is running. Okay, give me a second. I'll need to wait a bit here while the service reaches out to the offline farm and kicks off the process of pulling crypto from the blockchain. And it's done. Great. This all makes sense too. All Bitcoin network transactions have a fee. So this is basically what it looks like. I'll just head back to the wallet. Give me just a sec. Right here and hit the button at the bottom and I click here. Oh my God. Give me just a sec, guys. And yep. Now here, give me a sec and done. Just a few taps. Honestly, this all looks really interesting. Give me just a bit more time. I'll head back to the home screen and I should be able to see a notification here. And yep, so far everything's going pretty smoothly. After the first notification, I'll need to refresh the home screen. From what I know, the interface should load up fast, so we'll see about that right now. I'm already really curious to see what happens next. Let me try refreshing a couple more times. And come on.
Do you see that? The transaction appeared on my screen.
I'm blown away. That was insanely fast, unbelievable, guys. Let me check my transaction history. Yep, it's all there. I'm still testing this service to see how consistently it works because sometimes you have to go through all the steps a few times, and that's honestly a bit sketchy about these kinds of services. But my personal experience so far has been solid. All right, that's it from me. And if this was helpful, drop a like. I make these videos just for you. Bye, everyone.